everyone, it's Lori with Craft Time with Lori Healy, and I'm here today to show you a new kit that Stampin' Up came out with. And here is all of our kits. You get like an instruction sheet like this that comes in the box, and it tells you step by step how to make each of the cards. This is one where you don't need any ink or stamps. Everything's pre-printed for you. So the only thing you would need from home would be a scissors to cut this twine for the ribbon. Otherwise, everything else is provided for you in the kit. You get the twine, you get these dimensionals that will raise up parts of it. You get some mini glue dots. And I'll show you these. You get 9 cards. So there's 3 of this one. And this is what it looks like when it's done. These have these fun like honeycomb pop-up things in there. So you open it up and it's like that. And then there's 3 of this one. And this is what this one looks like when it's done. Now this one I would suggest only putting down half of the berry with the sticky side down. The other half leave the white part on there, and then whoever gets it can stick it open. Otherwise, I'm not really sure how this is supposed to go in the envelope, so it won't get crushed. And then there is 3 of, let's see, I didn't show the rainbow one. 3 of this one. And this is what that looks like when it's done. Congrats, you did it. You open it up and there's the sun. So this would even be fun for like end of the school year, teachers or kids, college kids, you know, kind of anything, sports or whatever. And so each kit then includes the pre-printed, and it comes in other languages too, but the pre-printed words, and you just pop these out like that. And here's the other printed parts that you needed for the strawberry, the sun, and behind the words there. So I just think these are really cute, fun cards. Super easy. They went together super quick. Anyone can do these. You don't have to be crafty or anything like that to do it. And I also thought it would be fun to, you know, plan like a kit together day where you get together with some friends and either you all order like the same kit and you work on them together, or Stampin' Up also has a bunch of other kits in our online store. If you go onto the website, and I can link it in this video, but there's a ton of different other kits, and some do involve stamping and some don't, just like this. So even if you got together and you had different kits and you all just got together and worked on them or mixed and matched them up, I just think it would be a fun thing to do to get together with some friends. So if you're interested in that, or even if you want me to host something like that, I could do that. So anyway, I just thought these were cute and fun, and these are just new in our online store, so I thought I would show them. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.